An excellent morning, one and all present over here. My name is Sanjay Kambarik, and I wish you all happy Children's Day. And today is the best day for us, and because today is the Children's Day and 14th November, this is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. You know, guys, the Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, and he was the great lover of children. So all the children call him Chacha Nehru, and he said that. You should not observe my birthday. You should observe the day as a Children's Day, because children are the future builder of our nation. If children would progress, then our country would progress. If the children would decrease, then our country would decrease. If the children would violent, then whole nation would be violent. I would like to say, children are playing a vital role in our country, and they are building our nation. So everything on their hand, and if we should be careful about the children, then our country would progress, we can progress, our state can progress, our district can progress, our family can progress. So I would like to say that most of the guardians and the teachers become careless and fickle about their children, and they never careful about the children. Only they are wasting the money on luxurious ways, on behind of mobile, behind of food, and behind of dresses, vehicles, etc. But they do not invest their money behind of education. This is the problem that happens in our country. So guys, do not neglect towards your children. You should careful about them. Invest as much as money possible behind of the education. By this way, the children can progress, our country can progress, then we can progress. I would like to say that, and children are very lovable, and they are giving us a real happiness of the life, and we should be love to children, never torture any children, never give the child labor, and we should stop the child labor and stop the torturing of children, and in this way we can save ourselves, and we can save the children, we can save the nation, we can get happiness in our life. Thank you guys. Once again, wish you all happy Children's Day.